Hello, 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 hello. My name is Monica, and I'm about to show you how to get started in your business. Now, what you want to do is number one rule, what we have for Travorium is have fun. We all have to have fun. If you ain't having fun, trust me, baby, you're not making no money. Okay. Now, that is the number one rule. Have fun. Don't take it too serious, because at the end of the day, guess what? We have another day. Okay. So, mm, now rule number two, you want to be coachable. That is very important. Be coachable. Get uncomfortable being uncomfortable. And don't think you know more than the person that actually sponsored you. So the person that signs you, don't act as if you know more than them because we don't want to reinvent the wheel. We don't want to reinvent the wheel. So you want to represent our products accurately, right? Average people do not force themselves to get uncomfortable, and that's exactly why they stay average their entire lives. We want you to get uncomfortable so that you can be very much comfortable. Now, the best thing is to score in 24. So if you say this is the business that you want to do, don't wait till next week. Don't wait till next month. Start immediately because I know you have people that you want to show this information to. So you enroll a new member within the first 24 hours. That means you score in 24. So as soon as you show them, if it's in person, if it's via Zoom, if it's you send them a video, regardless of the matter, whenever they see the information, you ask them, are you ready to get started? And if they are ready, they're going to say, yes, sign me up now. I'm all in. Now, this is how you create your list. This is how you're going to write down names of persons that you know that will be interested, or sometimes you might not even, they might not be interested. So your first call should be easy. Who's the person you would call if you only had 1% battery life in your phone in an emergency? So you got to make it quick. You got to make it quick. So, hey, you call them. Hey, I got 1% left on my phone. Can you come and get me? I'm at such and such and such a. That's going to be your person. That's going to be your ride or die. They will get up. If it's 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, they will get up because they're not going to leave you stranded wherever you are. So that is the best person. That will be the first person that you actually call in a case of emergency because you know they got your back all the time. So this is the way that you want to get in profit. You refer three people, right? So once you refer three persons, then your monthly membership is being paid for by the company. That is absolutely amazing. So your business volume requirement for a director is three people. That is it. You must have at least three active personal partners or customers placed within your two teams. Now, you know you have to have two teams, the left team, right team. So it could be one on one on the left leg, two on the right leg, or vice versa. That is how you want to be getting into profit. Now, this is your warm market because your hot market is somebody that you can call in case of emergency and they come in all day. Warm market, those are people that you know. You just know these people that's driven, motivated, competitive, you know, or you have those people that's fun loving, the life of the party. They're the ones that, they might wear elephant prints or not elephant prints, but animal prints. Those are the people that you want to call and write down their names for your list. And then you have those they have a job, but they're not happy. They're not satisfied because they're not making ends meet. They're not being able to provide for their family properly, but they're working hard and they're over it. So those are the people that you definitely want to share this with because they definitely will be those that take it seriously to build their business so that they can produce an additional income in what they're already doing they can add another income because you don't have to just quit your job doing this. And I don't recommend anyone to just say, I'm gonna quit my job and I'm gonna do this 100%. No, make the money first, then you go and do this. Now, a phone dump is when you have gone through all of your names that you just wrote down, your hot market, your warm market. Now you're just going to do a phone dump. That means you're going to go through your phone and just start writing down the names and numbers of everybody in your phone. This is what you're going to do because you have a lot of people on your phone. And I know a lot of you say, I don't know nobody, but you have over 1,000 numbers in your phone. You know people. They may not be somebody that's close to you. And guess what? Most times, the ones that's close to you, they're not the ones that's always going to support you. It's the ones that you just know. Now, making your list, I don't want you to prejudge anyone. That means, oh, they're too old. They're not doing anything. Oh, they're too young. They don't know anything. Or they have money already. Or they don't have money already. Oh, they're too busy. Because sometimes people are busy, but they are broke still. And don't think, oh, they wouldn't do this because you have no idea. The ones that you think will do it may not. And the ones that you don't think will do it will do it. So definitely don't get emotional and stay detached. You just want to share this information for anyone that want to travel and live their whole best life ever. Or you also want to share it with someone that they need an additional income because they're tired of doing what they're doing, or they just want an additional income so they can start creating a generational wealth of residual income. So, when you go head on and start making your list, some will, some won't. At the end of the day, some will just watch. And we don't care. Just say, so what? I'm showing you something, but if you're not interested, that is okay. Everything is not for everybody. Now, this is the 5-step invite. This is a pro inviter versus a blabbermouth. And I used to be a blabbermouth, so I can't even say, a lot of persons don't do this. So remember, when you invite, some will, some won't, some will just watch. So you call, you don't explain, just invite, okay? Hey, real quick, clear the date. What you doing tonight at 7 p.m.? And then if they say nothing, and you say, okay, cool, I'm coming over. Simple, right? Very simple. You say, I got some, because a lot of people ask questions. I got something you got to see. And if they keeps asking, you say, okay, it's me. Because they're going to say, what is it? What is it? It's me. I'm on my way over. And you just talk to them just how you regularly would talk to them. Don't be weird about it. Just say, okay, I'm coming over. I got something to share with you. I got something amazing I'm going to share with you. And sometimes that works for some people. And I'm gonna be honest with you and transparent. I don't just say, I give them, oh, I found this amazing travel club. I'm about to show you. I'm on my way over. Or I need you to jump on the Zoom real quick. Hey, what you doing at 7 o'clock? And okay, I want you to jump on the Zoom with me at 7 o'clock. Or if it's a travel party, I'm going to the travel party. What you doing at 7 o'clock? Nothing. All right, I'm gonna come pick you up. Simple. You just be yourself. Don't be weird. Don't be nervous. They're just people. And you want to have a sense of urgency. So, it's like a deck of cards. Everybody is not going to be your ace, but that's what you're looking for, an ace. Some might be a two, some might be a three, some might be a king, some might be a queen. King and queen, they're going to work. But an ace is going to be that person to where you don't even have to work that leg anymore, that side anymore. So you get a two. Okay, you got to work with a two. You got to work with a three. You got to work with a four, you know. But at the end of the day, you'll eventually pull that ace out of the hole, and then is all she wrote. Now you on a mission. So your Trevorium journey, don't be an emotional roller coaster. So and it will be. So just gear up for it. But you don't need to be in a emotional roller coaster. Be excited. So glad I joined. The people are great, and they are. They are they're amazing. And then my friend said, I'm dumb. Why did I join? You're going to show people that's going to kill your dream. Don't let nobody kill your dream, okay? And then you're going to say, my friend joined with me. And you're happy again. Like, yes, I got somebody. My friend joined. Boom. And then now you're like, three of my friends just joined with me. Residual income, here I come. Because now you're not paying that monthly fee. You're not paying it. And then what happens? One friend quit. Now it's like, I don't know if this works. Obviously, it worked because three of them joined and only one quit. Just go and replace that one. That's all you have to do. Don't be in your feelings when people don't want to join or when people quit, because that's in business all the time. This happens. You just keep pushing and keep showing. That is it. And we're going to have fun showing. And all you want to do is be consistent. Be consistent sharing this information that someone may be looking for this information, and just be here a year from today. Because guess what? A year from today, this business and these trips is going to change your life. I'm telling you, I can guarantee you that's what it's going to do. So I want you to go it on and start writing your list, and then let's share as many people as we can. And I'll see you on the beaches of the world or even in the bank.